what is Crossdock? What kind of services does Scarborough provide when it comes to Crossdock?
So cross-docking is traditionally unloading of goods and loading directly into some sort of outbound method based on a PO. So our cross-docking services, not only include that unloading, but they also include us sorting those goods by PO, whether it's taking them from the quantity that they come in from your supplier and breaking it down into smaller increments, or if they require repackaging or relabeling or some sort of specialized packing process which requires banding or any of those kind of things. So that whole cross-docking method is just at a high level mirroring the inbound container directly from your supplier with an outbound LTL, FTL, small parcel carrier after we've changed the state of the goods to meet the expectation of the PO for you to take your goods to market and get them in the hands of your customer.
Great, thank you so much.